And we're back at it. Welcome to another episode of RH Home Constructions, the unboxing. A short. Well, not really a short, but kind of like a short. But we're going to get right into powered to you by RH Construction. So, we went ahead and grabbed a quick special buy from HomeDepot.com. Model number 42-22-8442-48-22-8429. You're probably thinking, what the heck is that? That is the Milwaukee Packout 2-drawer. And XL Packout tools. It was $254 plus a free crate. And if you know what that free crate means, what you can utilize that for, oh, a great deal on that total cost. But if you know, you know. If you don't, but there it is. We'll add that baby to the stack with the other Packout XL right here. And this baby, I'm pretty sure is what I paid for, which is what I really wanted. For the price, the kid, these two, it's kind of like a no-brainer, especially with a free crate. Really good. And we pull her on out of here. Oh yeah, that's a beefy little girl right there. We like it, we like it. And this is the model number 4822-8442. 4822-8442. Boom, safety little latch to unlock that baby there. Dividers, nice little smooth drawer. I like that a lot, real smooth. There's like a extra little push and lock at the end. Same thing at the bottom. Oh, we're gonna break this baby right in. Trying to get rid of some of these good old buckets that you use in Home Depot and other little places. And again, nothing spectacular about a ye old crate. Seen one crate, you've seen them all. But right now they got a great deal on these crates. Buy one, buy whatever, you know, get the crate free. Again, if you know what to do with these free items, it's a W. It's a super one. Again, crate model number is 4822-8440. And again, we're just adding some more to the stackaroo. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Milwaukee, I'm not happy about that breaking off. It wasn't my fault. But yeah, I'm gonna get added right to this pack. There it is. Mini short. Appreciate you.